going to be doing my tattoo pain scale. This is for all you newbies out there. If you guys are thinking about getting a tattoo, I'm going to let you know how they hurt or how they didn't hurt, how they mostly hurt. And around the elbow was a little gnarly, so I'd have to give that like a 7 out of 10. Toward the inside of the arm where the skin is a little more sensitive, or a little more, not sensitive, but thin, it hurt a lot more and my arm got a little more swollen afterwards. So yeah, that one on the inside was probably a good 10 out of 10, 11 out of 10. That was pretty bad. I cried. But I did it, okay? My full arm is done. I don't have just line work. What do you want, Rusty Brew? My dogs are looking at me like, I want to come to you, but I know you're recording and I hate the camera and fuck you up. So my arm, that was pretty cool. Chest was a little crazy. Yeah, when he was shading, I was like, are you shading my nipple? Are you sure you're not doing it? But he wasn't. He was like, nope, I'm up there. And I looked down and I was like, oh, it's okay. But it's really pretty. I love it. Definitely worth it. The back of my arm, like that little, like, right there. Yeah, that's pretty. The little neck tattoos, they didn't hurt that bad. They're really just line work. Line work doesn't really hurt that bad to me. People are different. People say line work hurts more than shading. To me, shading is like gnarly because most of these are just shading. These don't really have line work in them. So, yeah. Anyways, my sternum, which is, it looks like this or this. They get white ink just to make everything pop, especially on the black and gray tattoos. And they have to go kind of hard because it's white ink. It's a light color. I die. But it's like you have to do it. And you know that once you get to the white ink, you know you're pretty much done. Calligraphy on one of my sides. Those are pretty easy. That was pretty bad, especially when he started using all the purple. Sorry, I drink coffee. I'm a little gassy. Anyways, especially when he started using the purple, I was like, oh my god, I feel like he used like 18,000 needles. But do that piece in one sitting, I think it was like 8 hours for the pinup girl. Actually, all my tattoos are my favorite. What am I talking about? I think that was an 11 out of a 10, probably a 12 out of 10. That was a pretty bad one. Like right when he touched my side, I was like, so this is it, huh? This is what we're going to be doing all day. That's pretty much how I feel about all my tattoos. I'm just like, well, this is my day. I plan on keeping on getting them. I plan on getting more. Correct grammar. My foot, I think I already talked about that. I'm also going to let my mom tell you guys about that. It hurt. My little bony foot. I cried. It didn't take that long, though. It actually took like 2 or 3 hours. I feel like my tattoo wasn't really done that well just because I don't think I really had the pain tolerance that he wanted. And some of the line work isn't really touching. He did another, but I always kind of wanted him to touch it up, but he never did. So hopefully I find someone that can touch it up. Comment below if you want to touch it up. So I thought it was like a fucking 15 out of a 10. It was pretty gnarly. I did not like it. I was like, are we almost done? I even feel like hers has like better shading and is a lot darker if you look at them. I'll get a picture of hers too, just because he was able to go like a little bit harder. What else? The back of my neck was pretty good, pretty easy. My shoulder was good, except like the chunky, like behind your shoulder right there. Those are pretty bad. Some of my tattoos are done for my Polynesian side, but the back is all right for the flat parts. Toward the spine, when they get to shading, it's like it hurts just being on the bone, and they can't do anything but shade the tattoo. I mean, it's not. I mean, unless you get someone with a super heavy hand. But I mean, I think the guy that did my back was a pretty well-handed tattoo artist because I kind of judge when I feel the tattoo if I feel the line. Like, okay, he has a heavy hand, but I don't really feel that in any of my tattoos. Like, it still feels like skin. It's still smooth. So the back, I think, is pretty good. It was my geisha was 2 hours of 10 sessions. 2 sessions of 10 hours. And I think he started toward the bottom and that hurt down there, like toward the bottom. You're laying down so you're in a comfortable position. I think I fell asleep during one of the sessions. I think my worst tattoo pain, probably my foot or one of my sides. Maybe my sternum, but that was just done so long ago, so I can't really compare it. I definitely remember my foot. That was one of my most recent ones. And woo! I'm glad I did that. I actually want to do my other foot with my other babies on my feet, my dogs. But I'm scared, but we'll see. So yeah, those are my tattoo paint skills. And if you should be afraid of, oh no, if I get a tattoo, like what will people think of me? Everyone's gonna have an opinion of you, whether you dye your hair purple, cut your hair short, wear this or do that. So might as well, if you want a little tattoo, if you want something that you're gonna put on your body for the rest of your life, that's your body. So you should be able to do whatever you want with it. Some girls like to spend money on a lot of clothes or a lot of makeup, and I like to spend money on a lot of tattoos. So that's me. Let me know, comment below if you guys have any other questions. Let me know if you guys would like any more advice. If you guys are planning on getting a new tattoo, let me know. I would love to give you advice on how it might be, maybe what artists, or please comment any new tattoos you may have. I'd love to see them, like one of my favorite things. Thanks again for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe. And yeah.